Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to mute YouTube videos on your phone. Now let's say that you want to mute YouTube videos on your phone and you don't want to mute any other things like phone calls, notifications, etc. What you should do is to simply go to Google, and now I want you to open YouTube from Google itself. So now I'm gonna open a new tab, then I'm gonna search for youtube.com, then click on it, and after that will show me the home page of YouTube. So now click on these three dots on the top right corner, then click on desktop side. Just make sure to check this option, and now what you should do is to simply choose any one of these videos. I'm gonna choose this video here, for example. And when you open any video on YouTube, you will find here this icon like you are using your YouTube on the desktop. You just have to click on this sound icon and it will mute the sound. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.